Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious jelly chocolate. First, let's gather all our ingredients. You'll need 400 milliliters of milk, 100 grams of granulated sugar, and a small pinch of kosher salt. Also, have another 100 milliliters of milk, 30 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 90 grams of chopped dark chocolate ready. Don't forget 10 grams of agar-agar, 20 milliliters of water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste for that perfect flavor. Having everything measured out makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start preparing our chocolate jelly base. In a saucepan, combine 400 milliliters of milk, 100 grams of sugar, and a pinch of salt, heating it over medium heat. In a separate bowl, whisk together 100 milliliters of milk and 30 grams of cocoa powder until there are no lumps. Stir this smooth chocolate mixture into your hot milk. Next, whisk in 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste and 90 grams of chopped dark chocolate until melted. Finally, combine 10 grams of agar-agar with 20 milliliters of water, then add it to your chocolate milk mixture. It's time to cook and mold our jelly. Bring the chocolate milk mixture to a gentle boil, making sure to whisk continuously to ensure the agar-agar fully dissolves. Once it reaches a gentle boil, carefully pour the hot mixture into your chosen mold. A clean, quart-size paper milk carton works wonderfully for this. Let the jelly cool down to room temperature on your counter. After it's cooled, transfer it to the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours to allow it to set firmly. The exciting part is here, unmolding and serving your delicious creation. Once the jelly is completely set, gently squeeze the sides of your mold to help loosen it. If you used a milk carton, carefully rip the carton apart to unmold the firm jelly. This method helps preserve its shape beautifully. For a lovely presentation, dust your chocolate jelly with a little extra cocoa powder or sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top. Enjoy this delightful, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.